Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making grilled garlic knots, which you could do on your grill or you could do in your oven. Unfortunately, it's raining outside here today, so I will be doing them in the oven, but feel free to follow the directions to put your pieces on skewers and grill them. Very exciting. Garlic knots? I mean, yes, and yes, always yes. Who doesn't like garlic knots? I can't think of anyone. So we're gonna be doing this together. As usual, I'm making this for the very first time on camera, so feel free to follow along, jump to the recipe, jump back to the video, whatever works for you. We're also making it because we all want garlic knots. Yes, we do, all the time. You must admit it too. You gotta admit it, garlic knots rock. First thing we're gonna do is make a garlic paste. Lop off the top of a big head of garlic. We're gonna stick it in the microwave to make this paste, and that gets the whole thing going. Place your head of garlic face down in a microwave-safe bowl. Olive oil. Water. It was in the microwave for 4 minutes at half power. I think it's ready. Let's test it. It is soft, so I think it is good. Take your head of garlic. We're going to squeeze out those garlic cloves. I think it's going to be hot, so I have a paper towel here to help me just in case. This is very hot. Add the liquid it cooked in. Mash it up. Add in your flour, double O or all-purpose. Water. Yeast. Salt. Add in your garlic paste. Make a shaggy dough for about 30 to 45 seconds. Gather the dough into a rough ball. Does not have to be perfect. Cover and let rest for 30 minutes. 30 minutes are up, it's still shaggy. We're gonna do a bowl fold. Wet your hand, go into the bowl, take it from the bottom, and then press it in the middle. And then we're gonna do this on all 4 sides. Is going to add strength to it. That's it. Cover it and let it rest for another 30 minutes or up to 3 hours. Time's up. Time to fill the dough. Lightly flour your surface. We're going to roll out an 18 by 8 rectangle best we can. I'm going to start by just flattening it a bit with my hands, and then I'm going to go in with the roller. Olive oil everywhere except a 1/4 strip on one of the long sides. So within 1/2 inch of that long side. So I'm not going to go beyond that. Sprinkle pizza seasoning over the entire piece of dough that you've made, leaving that 1/2 inch empty. Freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Roll into a tight log best you can. Take this end and we're going to pinch this a little bit together so that it'll stick best as possible. You can use a little bit of water to help you out as well. Cut into 1-inch slices. If it's getting a little bit soft on top or feel like it's melting, add a little flour. If you were grilling them, you would want to make sure that you put the cornmeal on them, but I'm going to do it anyway, even though I'm baking them. So just a little bit of cornmeal. Cover and let rise for about 30 minutes. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Into the oven for 15 to 18 minutes until they're golden. They are golden. Let's take them out. we're gonna add a topping on of garlic oil. This is optional, but heck, why wouldn't you want that? Put back in the oven on broil until they are evenly browned. They're ready. Oh, these look great. The best thing, we get to eat these pretty much straight out of the oven. Look at this. Yum. You can see the different layers of the cheese and the garlic dough and the garlic on top. I mean, come on. This is gonna be delicious. Let's take a bite. Mmm, mmm. These are cheesy, garlicky, delicious. You could serve these with your pasta dish. You could serve them with tomato sauce on the side. You could serve them with nothing. Nothing. Just eat them by themselves. Seriously. Yes. If I can make these garlic knots filled with delicious cheese for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check me out on Instagram, turn on those notifications, and feel free to send me more song requests.